Hey friends, welcome back to She's At It Again. My name is Tanya, and if you are a subscriber to our channel, you know that the last several videos that we put out are for kind of a build up to something I was going to share with you. This is that something. These are so much fun, and I will tell you ahead of time, I've served these to a group of teachers one time, and the oohs and ahs that came out, I was not expecting that. I just thought it was a matter of convenience. I knew they looked cute and it was just easy to serve, but they were so excited because it looks like you've put so much effort forth in making these pretty when you serve them, and they're oh so delicious and easy to return the dish to. So let's get started, and I want to show you what we're going to do. Now, in the last video, we did pulled pork. We also did homemade baked beans from scratch. In the past, we have done a video for Southern coleslaw, also known as cold slop, and I think I tell the story in the video. We will link all those videos. Also, you can top this with a barbecue sauce. One of our favorites is Carolina Gold, and we will also link the video, link that video to this as well. So all these components, and I'm going to show you what to do. This is a canning jar. This is a 1 pint canning jar, and notice it has a large top on it. You can use the kind that has a smaller top. It's just easier to eat out of this one. And yes, people are going to eat straight out of this jar. So we're going to start with our coleslaw. Everybody knows that heat rises, so you want to put your cold things on the bottom. So just put a layer of coleslaw in there. Next is our baked beans. And these, of course, being hot, will stay hotter. It's not like the coleslaw is going to make it that much colder. You don't have to pack it down. It'll kind of settle in on its own. And let me just tell you, if you haven't tried these baked beans yet, they are phenomenal. Phenomenal. No processed sugar, no refined sugar added. These are sweetened with coconut sugar and date syrup, and they are over the top delicious. Next, our pulled pork goes on top of that. And the hot will stay hot, I promise. Not for like hours, but it's going to stay hot between the time you assemble this and when you serve it. And these are just so easy to hand out to people. It's just the funnest thing ever. And this, our lid, we're just going to put it on there like that. Now to make this even cuter, I want to show you this. This is just a typical cotton bandana. We use these as napkins at our house. This is pretty much a staple at our house. When you put out the red bandanas, we're fixing to have a big meal. We're going to take and just fold over the top of it about a third of the way. We're going to kind of roll it up like so. Put it around your jar. And the kind with the smaller top, this actually stays on better because it has a little shoulder to keep it from sliding down. But these work actually just fine. Tie the bandana like that. And then you're going to take your wooden fork or a disposable fork of some kind, place it right there like that. And this is a barbecue sundae. Kind of makes you want to fix some, doesn't it? These are so fun. Just sit around the table eating out of a jar. How cool is that? So I'm pretty proud of these. If you can't tell. So we're going to link the description to everything. that goes in this jar, including the barbecue sauce, which I didn't show because I'm not topping this particular jar with the barbecue sauce. Some people don't want barbecue sauce on theirs, and that's totally fine. I get that. This pulled pork has enough flavor in it. You didn't really require it, but that barbecue sauce really is good. I'm going to have it on mine. But anyway, now you know why all the hoopla about the other recipes building up to this particular one. So I think this is a lot of fun. This feeds a lot of people. You get enough jars and you've got a meal in a jar for each person in the family. So just put these on a tray, bring them to the table, and you'll get some oohs and ahs as well. People know you spent not necessarily a lot of time and effort, but put a lot of love into this dish. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you try everything that's in there. If you don't want to try my recipe for coleslaw or my recipe for one of these things, use your own, stack it up in there, and tell them it's BBQ Sundaes, and people will enjoy it, I promise you. So recipes are in the description as always, and we look forward to sharing something again with you real soon. Have a good summer, and this will give you a good start to it. Bye, guys.